So your Roman blind has arrived and you're ready to install. Your Roman blind arrives like this, and inside you will find your Roman blind and two sets of fittings. One for inside the recess and one when fitting outside the recess. We don't supply screws because everybody has a different wall type. So let's start with the recess fitting. You need to attach the silver circular fittings into the top of your recess. Just one at either side, making sure that they're in line with each other. Once fitted, you pull back the Velcro at each side and simply slide the small hook into place. Velcro the fabric back into position and you're done. For outside the recess, you need the white fittings. Attach these to the wall at either side of the window, keeping them in line with each other. Pull back the Velcro on the blind, slide the clip into place, reattach the Velcro, and we're finished.